Hey folks, JD here, and this is the Helifar H802, and as you can see, it's made in China. And a couple of weeks ago we looked at the Helifar H803, and at the same time I didn't think it was going to be that good. Flew it, I kind of didn't like it that much. You know, it didn't do what it should have done. And then I practiced with it a little bit, and it did. I was the one that had it wrong. So I decided that I would. I flew it again, and I loved it. And now I've gone back down the Helifar route again, and this is the H802. Now its look is quite nice. It looks a lot like the JJRC baby crab. I've got that, and I haven't managed to get that to work. So essentially, they look exactly the same. They are configured exactly the same. They are exactly the same. So I'm hoping I'm going to get more luck out of this, because single one up and one down to bind. Yeah, already more luck, because I've had the baby crab with me now for about 2.5 weeks, and I can't get it to bind. I can't get it to do anything whatsoever, which is a shame. But if you look at both of these, they are exactly the same, right? Front, top, back, every single thing about it is exactly the same, right? So what I thought I would do today is I was going to take up the baby crab and then do the Helifar, but honestly the baby crab is proven to be, well, baby crap. So I thought I would just take up the Helifar, and I can't seem to, let me see, where was it? There we are, down, both into the middle to calibrate the gyros. Perfect. Okay, let's take her up and see exactly what we've got. Ooh. So again, you've got to push down on the transmitter before you can then raise her altitude any. We've got a little bit of, she's moving back a little bit. I'm going to try and see if I can trim that out. Quite successful. Little breeze here today, but she seems to be holding herself quite well. Now I've put her into high mode already, and off she goes. Oh, I love how quick and how quick these things dart. It's like, I'm off, go! It's like opening the stalls at a horse race. The horse is like, we gotta run. This thing is like, I gotta fly. it's just infectious. Right. So yes, movements in high mode. Oh, that wasn't high mode. That was speed mode 2. Right, back into speed mode 1. Let's start off from the ground up. Nice. Slow movements. Those motors are screamers, but with those quad propellers, they really are, quad blade propellers rather, they really are cutting through. Look how nice and smooth she is. There's no wobble in the corner or coming out of the corner. Look at that, yaw and roll, no problem whatsoever. What about just yaw? Beautiful. There's no wobble there whatsoever. With a lot of them, with the tri-blades, you get a bit of a wobble coming out of the corners. Speed mode 1, quite good. Speed mode 2, angle of attack obviously dips. She's very, very, very flighty on the corners if you do decide to just have her in speed mode 2. Now speed mode 3, oh god, and it's very difficult to sort of turn her and keep her sort of even, so that she doesn't just start spiraling out of control with these very fast little twirls. Nice little funnel. So speed mode 3. Oh, again, faster again on the corner. Not much difference in speed on the corner between 2 and speed mode 3. That orientation LED though is nice and bright. You shouldn't have any problem in seeing that there. That was a bit of a problem, see that? Because of speed mode 3 and because the corners are so, the turning is so fast, that when I turned her back there, all she did is instead of doing 180, she did a 360 and then carried on going in the same way that she was. But these little things are fun. And now this hasn't got any sort of really special features. It does some 3D flips and rolls. So let's give that a try. Forward, back, left. Oh, she's dropping altitude every single flip. Left and right. No, that was back. Right. Yes, there we go. So it is 4-directional 3D flipping, which is fine. Could have sworn I heard somebody behind me then. That was a little bit creepy. So yeah, all in all, flies nice. 3 speed modes all work well. Speed mode 3, again, very crazy on the cornering. You get that with smaller quads. It's going to happen. It's just exactly what happens with small quads. 3D flips, 4 directional, no problem whatsoever. One button takeoff worked. Gyro calibration worked as well. Transmitter feels nice, works well. It's a standard Helifar transmitter, same ones we had with the H803 and H802 with this one. Exactly same. Nice though. I like having that power button on at the bottom as well, rather than at the middle. I've recently come to like that because I'm quite clumsy, and it hasn't happened yet, I don't think, but it just stops you from accidentally knocking the off button and the quadcopter going into auto land mode. So what happens if you do knock off the transmitter with this guy? So we knock off the transmitter, what does he do? He comes to land. Transmitter's off. See? No LED. And no movement. He comes in for a very nice, oh bless you, very nice controlled landing. That's what you want to see. That's a nice failsafe. With a lot of quads, it'll go out of range or something and it'll just drop, which is fine, but it's nice to see that there is a controlled landing as well. So if I put this back on, one up and one down to bind, auto binds, haven't got to turn off the quadcopter. Gyro again, one button takeoff, or start motors rather than one button takeoff. Then see, oh no, I have got up. There we are. Doesn't remember the speed modes, but that's okay. Nice little quad. Nice little quad. Flies very well. Speed mode 3, cutting through that. Well, it's actually a little breeze now. Yeah, as you can see, faster one way than the other. But yeah, seems to work really well. And the thing is these copters are inexpensive. Christmas is coming, folks. Stocking fillers. That's what we got here. Okay, the box is a little bit large to be a stocking filler, but you can always have it on top of the stocking, can't you? Wrap it separately, have it on top. Look at it go. Speed mode 2. Fighting a little bit of breeze there. And then back the other way, no problem. But again, these little things are fighters. Those motors, there's the battery. Orientation LD started to flash. So, let's bring it to speed mode 1 so I can actually turn the thing. And then, oh, are you going to do it, my friend? Go, 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 go. Let's bring it down for an emergency landing. Transmitter is off. Come on then. Down you come. Down you come. And boom. There we go. Lovely. Inexpensive, nice copter. Well done, Helifar. That's 2 for 2, which are very good. Nice transmitter as well. I'm liking this. This is a lot nicer than a lot of other nano quadcopter transmitters. All in all, though, that's a nice little arrangement. Nice orientation light, very bright. 4 brush motors, very good. You've got the quad blade propellers here. Again, great stability on cornering and coming out the corners. Quite a long battery life, considering I was in and out of those speed modes doing the 360 flips. This front sprig here is on the motor start button. Then you can just take off and she has no problem in flying. Again, a nice little copter. Really, really good. 3 speed modes as well, not just 2, not just your high and low, but yeah, 3, and I like that. There we are, it's a win for the H802. Thanks ever so much for watching, folks. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.